Hi friends, here is a nice problem. We are given x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4 equals 91 and x square minus xy plus y square equals 7. So there are two equations, one in terms of x power 4, one of the order 4, another of the order 2. Right? How do you solve them? There is some similarity, right? So, for example, xy square is x square y square. Square of x square is x power 4. Square of y square is y power 4, etc. So, let us try doing one thing. Let us do the square of the second equation and try to compare that to the first equation, because second equation and first equation they are looking similar. Right? Let us do that. Right? What is a plus b plus c whole square? A plus b plus c whole square equals a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Right? That is the second equation. Let us do the square of second equation. X square minus xy plus y square whole square becomes a square, which is x square x power 4. Then x square y square. Then y square y power 4. Then 2 times x square into xy is just 2 x cube y minus 2 x cube y. Then plus 2 x square y square a into c 2ac 2 x square y square minus or plus 2bc. Right? What is the bc? Minus 2 xy cube. Right? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Right, guys? 2, this is 2ac. Right? 2ac plus 2bc. Right? Now this is the equation. Right? If you subtract this one from the first one. Okay, so the first three terms, if you can see, the first three terms are the same as the first equation, right? If you subtract this third equation from the first equation, what will be remain? We'll be left with these three terms only, right? These three terms, which is so this minus this will become 2x cube y minus 2x square y square plus 2x cube, right? The signs will change, right? Because we are subtracting equals 91 minus what is this? This term is whole equals to 7 square, which is 49. 91 minus 49, which becomes 42. Right, we can take this 2 common, then 2, then this becomes 21. Right, and we can take xy common also, and xy times x square plus y square minus xy. Right, 2 we have in this equation, 2 we have removed because we divided with on both sides. Then we'll be left with this equation turns into xy times x square plus y square minus xy equals 21. Now, if you see this equation, this one x square plus y square minus xy, this is the same as this equation, right? X square minus xy plus y square, right? This is the same. So this is equal to 7. What does that mean? Xy times 7 equals 21. That means xy equals 3. Right. So we have xy equals 3. That means y equals 3 by x. Let us substitute this in one of these equations. Let us substitute this in this. Right. Y equals x by 3 in this equation. Equation number 2. What does this become? X square minus xy is actually equal to 3. So we can directly write it as minus 3 plus y square. Y is 3 by x whole square, right? So x square minus 3 plus 3 by x whole square becomes 7, the same 7. And then x square minus 3 plus 9 by x square becomes 7. So let's multiply this x square on both sides. X power 4 minus 3x square plus 9 becomes 7x square, which becomes x power 4 minus 3 minus 7x square minus 10x square plus 9 becomes 0. This is almost in our quadratic, just that it is to the power 4. We can assume this as y square minus 10y plus 9. Of this is of that form, right? We can simplify this x power 4 minus 9 minus x square. 10x square we can write it as minus 9 minus plus 9. So this becomes x square minus 9 times x square minus 2. Right. So what does this mean? This means This means x can be, if x square minus 9 equals 0, x square minus 9 equals 0, this can be either this or this, right? X square minus 3 equals 0 or x square minus 1 equals 0. That means x equals either 3 or minus 3 or 1 or minus 1. These are the four options, right? In four of these cases, these are the solutions. Now, xy equals already 3. What does that mean? Y becomes, if xy is 3, y is either 1, right? Xy should be 3. Or it is minus 1 or 3 or minus 3. Right? Because xy should be equal to 3. In all these cases, if the product is 3. Right? So these are the four solutions. These are the four solutions of this set of equations. This set of equations. Right, guys? We have used the similarity and did the square of the second equation and subtracted from the first equation. Thank you, guys. Hope you like this.